everyone's gonna take off my mascara. I'm using Anastasia. It's the Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. And then I go over top of them with Maybelline New York Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara in the color Soft Brown. Okay, so I'm back now. My brows are on. And now I'm gonna go over my brows. And I'm really not good at doing my eyebrows, so that's that. What do I do next? I forget. I'm nervous with you guys watching me. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fairlight Neutral. I'm gonna put it on my hand like this. And I'm running out. I actually need to get more concealer. But I don't know if I'm gonna buy this one again because it's expensive. And your girl does not have money. I'm a senior in high school. I'm 17. I'm working as a hostess at a restaurant. I'm not making that kind of money. Now I'm going in with just this angled. Ignore the foundation on it. Or concealer. I don't know what that is. Going in, and it's dirty. I'm sorry. I'm disgusting. I'm gonna take an angled brush and just pat the concealer, and then I'm gonna just, what's it called? I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows. I'm not in frame at all, I'm so sorry. Professional by Benefit. And then I'm just gonna put it just in the areas where my pores are really big, so like around my nose, just the T-zone area. I'm gonna take the concealer down onto my lid. I'm gonna take a beauty blender and I'm gonna blend that into my eyelid. And then later, before I start on the eyeshadow, I'll blend it in again and then set it with a white eyeshadow to keep it from creasing. I know I'm not good at doing my eyebrows, I'm sorry. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye and then I'll be back. So I'm done with my eyebrows now, and usually on a school day, I wouldn't even carve out the underneath. I would just fill in my eyebrows and then put mascara on and be good, and maybe like lip balm, and then I'd be done. I don't have time in the morning. I'd rather sleep. You guys see the bear in the back? My boyfriend got that for me. This is Charles palette. I might use another palette too. I don't know exactly what I'm doing yet. Hopefully you guys can see. Let me know in the comments. So I'm going in with the white, like I said I was gonna do. I was doing my eyebrows, and I'm just patting that in. In my next video, I think I just want to do like a get ready with me, or no, what's it called? I want it to be like a get ready with me story time where I tell you guys about some of the dumb stuff that I've done. Because I'm 17, so obviously I've done some pretty stupid stuff in my life. My friends think it's really funny, some of the stuff that I've been through, so maybe you guys will like it, I don't know. But I'm gonna film it anyways, because I don't care. That's a lie, I care very much. I'm very close to you guys, hello. Or no, I'm gonna go in with this one first. And I'm just gonna go in the crease. And this is gonna be a glam. So I think I'm gonna do some kind of like cut crease or a halo eye. I'm not exactly sure yet. I'm really excited about this YouTube channel. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I've always just been nervous because I kind of feel like I'm not that entertaining. Cause like around my friends, I'm like, I can be kind of funny or whatever, but I don't know, I feel like I'm meeting a new person being on camera, so it's hard to like be funny and stuff. I just really hate going to school because people there are annoying. I actually like my teachers, except like one of them. Okay, so James Charles palette, I might go back to that one, but now I'm gonna use the Alexis Stone Instinct palette. Start out with the light, not the lightest purple, but the second to lightest purple in the palette. And I'm just packing it on top of that transition color that I put down from the James Charles palette. That looks kind of alright. Alright, so now that you look like you got punched in the eye, We're gonna make it look even more like I got punched in the eye. I'm gonna skip to the really dark purple and just go ahead and start packing that into the crease. See? I'm gonna pack it on the sides and blend in. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Sorry, it's really hard to talk. Now I'm really gonna pack this purple into the brush because I want it to be a little bit darker. I'm gonna grab this brush and take that same dark purple and pack it on there. That's kind of alright, I guess. Just blending this out with a fluffy brush. So it's blended in, that's what I'm trying to say. It looks weird right now. And what I should have done was put tape on the outer corners, but I did not do that. I'm gonna grab my concealer again and do the same thing I did last time where I put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm gonna grab this little teeny tiny brush and see, it'll get better, I promise. I'm gonna just dip that in. And then I'm gonna dot on the middle, do the same thing with this eye. Love this palette. I've had this palette since I was 15. Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna take the shade Vermeer. Actually, I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm gonna take Vermeer just on my pointer finger. I'm gonna tap in. My hands are clean. I washed them before I started. I'm just gonna pat that on. This looks really bad on camera. I promise it looks good in person. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and dip back into this dark purple. Tap off the extra, flick the purple into the shimmer. My face is probably like so stupid. I'm gonna go back in with the shimmer again. I kind of lost some of it. I'm just gonna tap that on. So now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna pull, which technically you're not really supposed to pull. But see how it made it sharp right there? Go with the extra that I had left on the brush and just go underneath my waterline with it because I feel like it kind of pulls it together. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera just because it's gonna take me a minute, and then I'll be back with eyeliner and mascara on. Alright, so now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I don't know what that is. I don't know her. And I cake it on. Hello. Yeah. Do you want to be in it?
No.
Okay. Bye, Mom.
Hi, Courtney.
They
Good
can't
job
see
on your
me.
makeup.
It's the same shimmer shade that I put in the middle part of my lid. I'm taking that on a flat brush. I'm just tapping it in on the very edge of it, then tapping the excess off. I'm using that as a highlight on my brow bone and underneath my arch. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Ivory 115. I'm just gonna dot it. And I have no idea if this is gonna match or not. And I'm just gonna blend that in. And I'm just gonna put the extra that was left. I'm gonna blend that down into my neck. My skin actually looks really good. So now I'm just really blending it in, make sure it looks even and everything. I'm gonna get my concealer back out. And now I'm just gonna, see, it's super light. Take flat brush like this. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just pounce that into the skin. And I'm not gonna show you guys my contour palette because it's a mess. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with my contour shade, and hopefully this doesn't look bad. I'm just gonna, and I don't think this is necessarily the right shade of contour for me, but you know, your girl doesn't have money. So I'm gonna go in with that same Vernier shade. I'm just gonna take it on my finger and just, don't do a straight line because then it'll look weird and it's not gonna blend into your skin. Just, you just make little taps and then take your brush. I'm gonna tap just a little bit of the contour back onto my brush. Tap off the extra. And then I really don't like doing an intense, like, chin contour thing, because I feel like I never blend it good and it looks weird. I'm just blending that out. Ooh, I forgot to put highlight on my nose. It's my favorite part. So I'm gonna go in with the same Vernier shade. Just tap, blend, and then Cupid's bow. Bridge of the nose. I really like having a shiny nose. I don't know why. And Cupid's bow. Might just be me. Probably is. So now, I'm just gonna take, set this down here. It's gonna take this regular round, small fluffy brush, taking a peachy color, because I cannot stand the like bright pink. I don't know, maybe one day I'll like it, but today, no. Taking like very little and I'm blending that up. I actually don't really put it on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm keeping that really high on my cheekbone too, because if you keep everything high, it's gonna bring your face up more, which is what you want. You don't want your face to look droopy and saggy, you want it to be up. So now, we are almost done. Time for the scary part. Using these ones today. The name is Flutter. I'm gonna put these on off camera because that's gonna take me a minute. So I have my lashes on now. So I'm almost done now. Crazy. My first YouTube video, almost done. This one. I always wear this one. It's my go-to. So I'm gonna outline. Bada bing, bada boom. They're lined. So I'm officially done. That's how it looks. I really like it. So much for watching. I can't wait to post more and do more looks and maybe just, I don't know. I don't even, like, give me some ideas down in the comments what I should do. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Instagram up here if y'all want to follow. Go ahead, drop a like or a dislike. Go ahead and drop a comment for me. Tell me if you like the makeup or not. Tell me if I'm ugly. Just kidding. Please don't. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.